Okay, here's unboxing the new one. Take the tray out. Set it aside. That thing out, set it aside. Okay, here are the specs on it. And it's supposed to be 1100 watts, or 1000 watts rather. And it says on here that it is 1500 watts. That could be an issue. Well, since I have it opened, I'm going to go ahead and set it in the frame, plug it in, turn it on. If it pops a breaker, it's going back. Okay, so there it is. It's much, much smaller than the other microwave was. Shorter, smaller altogether. So I will have to fabricate my own type of brackets and just put them in on the sides or something. And maybe, maybe actually make something to brace the feet in with. That might be a good idea. But I'd still have to bracket it on the sides, but fabricate something. I can make something of wood or what have you. The vent, there's a side vent there. Don't know if you can see it. The flashlight again. There we go. It vents out of the side, on that side. I don't think there's a vent on the other side. No vent on the other side, and I think there's some top vents. Yep, some top vents there. And this is more than adequate space for it to vent out of. So, okay, now I'm going to take it for a little test run. I'm going to put some water in it and see if my breaker likes it, see if the voltmeter likes it. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I have a glass pitcher of water in it, measuring cup. So, close the door. And I'm going to check the voltmeter. Okay, there's my voltmeter in a very good reading, even with my AC on. So I'm getting good power tonight. So, okay, let me hit 2 minutes on the microwave. Okay, it didn't really drop much. Huh. Boy, is that a lot quieter than the old one. So voltage is good. I assume my amperage is okay. There we go. I set it for 2 minutes. See how hot this gets? Wow, is that ever quiet? I didn't realize how noisy my other one was. Oh, it's pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow, but look at all that space. If it didn't have to have that dedicated plug up there, I would be really, really tempted to get one just a little bit smaller, put it on my countertop, and put my big toaster oven up there. But this is about the size I want, so I'm not going to mess around with that. Voltmeter still looking good? Yes, still in the green. Can't believe how quiet it is. Okay, that one beats 5. water's hot. Well, if it wasn't so hot, I'd have a cup of tea. But it's humid tonight. So I got to turn on my dehumidifier, and we're going to call this job finished for now. It's not really finished, but it's finished for now. Okay. It's up. It's in. It works. It seems to actually be drawing less power. I can't believe how big that other microwave was. So, but, and there are vents on the top, but it's at the very back of the top, so I put a towel up here. That is my vegetable steamer, and a couple of Pyrex or Anchor Hawking glass containers, and no chicken. So, that works for me. Does it seem like every time I open my cabinet door, that darn steamer would fall out of the cabinet? So now it's not going to do that anymore. And this is, you know, of course, this is set up temporary because I'm not going anywhere for a while. If I travel anywhere, then I will have to brace the microwave in and take the stuff off the top of it. And I bought these little glass containers for my dehydrated foods that I make. I was putting them in a baggie, but then I discovered baggies mildew. Don't want mildew food. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.